How to install Ansible in ArchLinux? Today we are going to talk about the easier way to install and maintain up-to-date Ansible inside ArchLinux using the community repository. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. How to install Ansible in ArchLinux. Today we are going to talk about how to install Ansible in ArchLinux. The good news is that Ansible is included in the default repository, so you could install it simply with your usual package manager, pacman. You could expect the latest version of Ansible in the community repository. At the moment is available the latest version 5.0. Demo. Are you ready to make your hands dirty? Let's jump in a quick live demo about how to install the latest version of Ansible using pacman and the community repository. Are you ready? I really like it that in the web browser you have a section named Packages where you can search for all available packages and keywords, and if you search for Ansible you got listed two possible versions. 5.0-1 is available inside the community repository, and you can have a broad vision of the dependency and also other packages that depends on this version. Also, you can add the contact of the maintainer of the package and other interesting information. As you can see, it's a pretty new package because it was released the 1st of December 21. So, good job ArchLinux. But now let's jump to the console. Welcome on my console. First of all, let me connect via SSH with DevOps user at archlinux.example.com. That is my laboratory. It's a fresh machine, so as you can see, it's asking me to confirm the SSH fingerprint. After this, I'm going to switch to root user with sudo su because I would like to install packages. Let me verify the etc OS release. As you can see, the build ID is rolling because ArchLinux is a rolling release. And actually we are in 2021. Let me list also hostname control, where you can verify that is ArchLinux and the current kernel 5.15. There is also another file that is /etc/arch release, but nowadays is empty. So let me use the package manager pacman with -syu and is updating the repository. There is also one package actually to update, CR certificate. Let me do it. But now let me search for Ansible with -s-e, and this is the possible the package available. So I can move forward and install it. What do you think? To install, let me use pacman, and this time with option -S, Ansible is going to install 22 packages, as you can see, with a lot of Python library dependency. Let me confirm, and it's going to download nearly 40 megabytes of data and uncompressed nearly 400 megabytes. It's a lot of small file and library. As you can see, now is installing Ansible inside my system. let me verify that the installation went successful. Double check pacman-se Ansible if something changed. No, we actually look like the same output as before. So probably ArchLinux has a different option to check if a package is installed. Ansible -- version, as you can see, is already Ansible Core 2.12, but is a pretty update release. So in a blink of an eye, I have Ansible and all the Python dependency installed on my ArchLinux, and I'm ready to have fun with all my automation. Let me verify the installed packages with pacman-q and let me pipe grep Ansible, and here we see all the available package, and I filtered for Ansible. So Ansible 5.0 is currently installed. To maintain up to date my distribution, simply use pacman as SYU as we did before, and that's pretty much everything what we need to do to install and maintain up to date Ansible package inside ArchLinux. Now you know how to install the latest version of Ansible in ArchLinux using the community repository. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to see again us on Ansible Pilot. See you soon!